Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, Fitness Tracking and Goal Setting. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on fitness tracking and goal setting. In this section, we will explore the importance of tracking your fitness progress and setting goals to keep you motivated and focused on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Fitness tracking allows you to monitor your activities, measure your progress, and make informed decisions to optimize your workouts. Goal setting provides a clear direction, giving you something to strive for and helping you stay committed to your fitness regimen. Let's dive into the world of fitness tracking and goal setting and discover valuable techniques to enhance your fitness journey. Stories and examples. 1. The journey to the marathon. Imagine a passionate runner who dreams of completing a marathon. They begin by setting a goal of running a 5K within a specific time frame. Using a fitness tracking app, they monitor their running distance, pace, and heart rate during training sessions. With each milestone achieved, they set new goals, gradually increasing their distance and pace. Through consistent tracking and goal setting, they build the endurance and mental fortitude to conquer their ultimate goal of running a marathon. 2. From couch potato to active lifestyle. Picture someone who leads a sedentary lifestyle but desires to become more active and fit. They start by setting small, achievable goals like taking a 30-minute walk 3 times a week. They track their daily steps using a fitness tracker and gradually increase their activity level. As they witness their step count and fitness level improve, they become motivated to set new goals, such as incorporating strength training or joining group fitness classes. The combination of tracking and goal setting transforms them from a couch potato to someone who embraces an active lifestyle. Top 12 Fitness Tracking and Goal Setting Techniques/Methods. 1. Use a fitness tracker. Invest in a fitness tracker or smartphone app that allows you to monitor your steps, distance, heart rate, calories burned, and other relevant data. 2. Set SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and following a balanced diet. 3. Track workouts. Keep a record of your workouts, including the exercises, sets, reps, and weights used. This helps you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. 4. Monitor heart rate. Use a heart rate monitor to track your heart rate during exercise and ensure you're working within your target heart rate zone. 5. Keep a food journal. Record your daily food intake to track your calorie consumption, macronutrient balance, and identify any areas of improvement in your diet. 6. Measure body composition. Track changes in your body composition by measuring your weight, body fat percentage, and taking progress photos to visually track your transformation. 7. Set mini goals. Break down your larger fitness goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Celebrating these mini goals keeps you motivated and engaged in your fitness journey. 8. Monitor sleep patterns. Track your sleep quality and duration to ensure you're getting sufficient rest, as proper sleep is crucial for recovery and overall well-being. 9. Incorporate challenges. Participate in fitness challenges or competitions to push yourself, stay motivated, and have fun while achieving your goals. 10. Join a community. Engage with like-minded individuals or join fitness groups online or in person. Sharing your progress, challenges, and victories with others provides support and accountability. 11. Review and adjust. Regularly review your fitness tracking data and evaluate your progress. Adjust your goals or workout routine accordingly to continue challenging yourself and reaching new heights. 12. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Reward yourself for achieving your goals, whether it's treating yourself to a new workout outfit or enjoying a massage. Summarization. In this crash course on fitness tracking and goal setting, we explored the significance of monitoring your fitness progress and setting goals to maintain motivation and focus. We discussed various techniques such as using fitness trackers, setting SMART goals, tracking workouts, monitoring heart rate, keeping a food journal, and measuring body composition. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of setting mini goals, monitoring sleep patterns, incorporating challenges, joining a community, reviewing and adjusting, and celebrating achievements. By implementing these techniques, you can optimize your fitness journey and experience meaningful results. Poem. In the realm of fitness, we forge our way. Tracking our progress, day by day. Setting goals that ignite our flame. Guiding us forward, with unwavering aim. Fitness trackers, our trusted guide. Recording steps taken, with every stride. Heart rate monitors, a steady beat. Keeping us in the zone, moving fleet. Workout journals, a record true. Tracking exercises we undertake and do. Food diaries, a mindful gaze. Nourishing our bodies, in balanced ways. Body composition, a story told. As inches shed and muscles unfold. Mini goals, stepping stones in sight. Marking our progress, with sheer delight. Sleep patterns, a window to rest. Rejuvenating our bodies, at their best. Challenges embraced, pushing the line. Uniting with others, in a shared shine. Communities formed, connections deep. Supporting each other, as we leap. Reviewing our path, adjusting with care. Continuing our journey, beyond compare. Achievements celebrated, a joyful cheer. Recognizing the triumphs, loud and clear. In fitness tracking and goal setting, we find the power to transform body and mind. Song. Verse 1. In the world of fitness, we strive to be. Tracking our progress, setting goals, you see. With a fitness tracker, by our side. We monitor our steps, with every stride. Chorus. Setting smart goals, we chart our way. Measurable and attainable, day by day. We track our workouts, pushing our might. Heart rate monitor, keeping it right. Verse 2. Food journal in hand, we watch what we eat. Balancing our nutrition, staying on beat. Body composition, a visual guide. We measure our progress, with pride. Chorus. Many goals we set, milestones in sight. Celebrating achievements, with pure delight. Sleep patterns monitored, rest for the soul. Challenges embraced, as we reach our goal. Bridge. In a community of like-minded souls. We share our journey, reaching new goals. Reviewing our path, adjusting with glee. We continue our fitness, forever free. Chorus. Achievements celebrated, in a joyous cheer. Fitness tracking and goal setting, we hold dear. Transforming our bodies, minds, and more. In this journey, we truly soar. Outro? Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.